It's few people who wouldn't want to run from lectures when they know the brain fact that less than 5% is retained by students who simply hear lectures, and about 90% is retained when students teach others at the same time they're learning themselves. The key is active learning, but the tools are a little less common. In this package, you'll find all of the tools documented so that you know where to find tips to run from lectures, tips to get more out of the task cards, rubric criteria for your task cards, further uses for these cards, and the prompts listed as you can use them. Additional home brain materials will be also listed. So then, those who are ready to run from lectures are asking themselves, then what? We begin by helping students to relate all tasks to expand and understand and apply and illustrate or roll out key lesson topics. That, of course, builds their curiosity, and that increases their enthusiasm. So without any prep on the teacher's part, we already have a greatly enhanced learning community. We find student-ready task cards here can activate both sides of the students' brains, so no wonder they take more from the lessons. There are poster reminders to motivate the students and task lists for easy tracking of their progress. Evidence of is what convinces me over 40 years of doing this work. So again, the question, running from lectures is only the first part. Then what? To those of us who want the very best and deep understanding for all of our students. Well, one way to get that is to record the class tasks and progress, and there are forms and tips to do that in this package that make it rather easy with the students doing most of it and also benefiting from doing that. The charts here will allow the students to sign tasks in and out should you cut and laminate the task card. In addition, then to applying or extending the lesson, you can use these task cards as terrific triggers to start any class or bell ringers to occupy students when extra spaces appear. There are many ways to solve problems in any lesson, and these task cards and other materials seen in this package will show you how to engage students, but more importantly, sustain their engagement, their enthusiasm, and their curiosity building for any topic. You will also find access to many other brain-based materials on the topics you teach. Please do leave a brief positive review if you find these running from lecture materials helpful. But do contact me if there are any other ways the materials can address your specific needs, because I'll be honored to help you and your students in any ways possible. To leave a comment or a question, hit on Ask a Question to the right of the Rating tab on my TPT site. The site is called Ellen Weber, Brain-Based Tasks for Upper Grades. I hope these active learning materials bring the enthusiasm and support you and your students deserve in every class. The best.